cake?
Yeah, disgusting.
Ma'am, can I help you?
Yung longganisa pizza niyo, it's so salty. At isa pa, bakit kayo nag-hire ng someone who has a questionable character? Katulad nito. Alam niyo ba, she's up to no good. Hindi niyo alam na lahat ng customer niyo dito na lalaki, siya ang o-orderin. Ganon siya kalandi.
With all due respect, ma'am, your accusations are below the belt. Hindi na po tama yan.
I am always right. Tsaka bakit pa ba ako sinasagot-sagot, ha, tanda?
Hindi pa pinatawag mo po ako. Going back to the pizza. Longganisa is our main ingredient. And it's from Binalonan. Salty and garlic. And reassure ma'am na we're using the best ingredients in our pizza.
Rest assured ka na.
Yes, ma'am.
Really? O, pero yung mga empleyado nyo, naku, ano kwenta?
Is that all, ma'am?
Kung ayaw niyo yung order ni Bianca ng pizza, spaghetti, tayo na lang